So, are you guys struggling to make money online? And if the answer is yes, then you must have to watch this video until the end, because in this video I'm going to show you one of the best and proven way to make money online. Even if you have no experience to make money online, if you are a complete beginner, you can make money with this method. I can promise you. You can make up to $300 or more with a simple copy and paste work, which I was going to show you how to do copy and paste work at the end of this video. If you guys stick to the end, at the end I'm going to show you 3 different free softwares that you can use to simply copy and paste. But before that, if you guys like to learn how to make money online, escape your 9 to 5 and live a laptop lifestyle, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates from me. Now let's dive into the video. The site we are going to talk about today is scotthelp.com. So what we are going to do is we are going to help business owners to generate their names or a tagline that we call slogans. So in order to make $300 or plus, we have to come up with names, taglines or slogans or logo designs for that website. So here is a slogan: say hello to goodbyes, the path of less assistance. These are just a slogan. So we need to come up with slogans and submit our slogans to the business owner. So how this site actually works. So when you sign up, you see this section, active contest. So when you click on it, go to all contests. You can see there are 401 contests right now in this site when I'm recording this video. So what does the contest is? So the contest is run by a business owner who wants name to their business or a slogan or tagline for their business. So what we are going to do, we are going to come up with different names and slogan ideas and submit that names and slogan ideas into the contest. And if you win the contest, you will make up to $200, $200, $100, $100, $200. So in order to make that money, you have to win the contest. Now you must be thinking that, Rishi, we don't know how to come up with names or slogans or taglines for these business owners. Don't worry, I'm here to help you with that. If you guys watch this video until then, I'm going to show you free softwares that you can use to generate slogan with a tap of a button, so you don't have to worry about that. So now you understand how this site works and what you have to do in order to make $100, $300 every single day. Right now I'm going to show you 2 more sites similar to these sites that you can participate in more contests, so your chance to win will be more. So the next site is Slogan Slingers, sloganslingers.com. It's pretty much same site to the scotthelp.com. The other site is Naming Force. This is also similar to scotthelp.com. You can sign up with these sites and start making up to $200 or $300 every single day. Now let me show you the 3 free softwares that you can use to simply just copy and paste. So the first software or website is slogangenerator.org. Second site is Oberlo, and the other site is slogangenerator.co. So let me show you one of these site how this work. So you come up here and type in the name that the company is assisting. So if you type in here what this company is assisting with, interior design. Okay, so INTERI or interior. Let's see. So this site come up with interior flokes. This is a great slogan. If you want a different slogan, what you can do is just tap one more time and this will pop up another slogan. If you tap one more time, this will pop another slogan. Look at this slogan: if you love interior, you will love us. This will be the slogan that you can submit on this site. Other sites works like the same. You type in here interior again. If we hit generate slogans, it will come up with different slogan ideas that you can use and copy and paste on the site. Oberlo generated over 1076 slogan containing interior. So you can just simply copy and paste this one of the slogans that you might think is going to work or is going to perfect for the site. Another is slogan generator, which is similar to the slogan generator. Now I'm going to give you some pro tips on how you can increase your chances to win the contest. So in order to increase your chances to win the contest, tip number 1, you read description, get an idea from this description of which type of slogan will the company most likely to like. So after you studied all the description and made a picture in your mind that this type of slogan company like, what you can do, you can go on to Google and search the competitors of that company and see what the competitors are doing on the internet, and get an idea from there that how you can generate a slogan that can stand out from competitors of your client, and make a picture in your brain of the slogan that you might think the client will most likely to like. So then what you can do, you come up here on slogan generator or Oberlo, slogangenerator.com, and find as many slogans that you can think the client will love, and make the list in the notepad of that slogans. And when you finalize 15 to 20 slogans, open up the notepad and see from that 15 to 20 slogans which slogans you want to submit in the actual contest. By doing this, you can increase your contest winning rate, and so if you win the contest, you will make more money. This is it for today's video. Hope you guys like today's video, and if it does, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you guys don't miss any future updates from me. And I will see you guys in the next one.